All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. So, I just wanted to go ahead and give an update here. Look at how perfectly our charts are playing out here. I'm not bragging. This is not financial advice or anything. It's just about tuning out and not listening to outside noise. Things will play out, like black swan events will happen, but think of it as of over leveraging, and then when the water goes down, you really see who's swimming naked. That's the famous saying, right? So that's all we're doing. We're just pretty much looking at when we're at extremes, when things are oversold. So think of it as positive than negative. When you're too far to one side, more than likely it's just going to reverse, and the rest of it is noise because that's how the game is played. So, as far as this is just, I'm so happy right now. Like, look how beautifully this is playing out. Look at that. Euro showing weakness, dollar showing strength. We still have this to watch out for. Careful, because this might be the final testing area before blast off. But I don't think we're done just yet. We are starting to see, like today, for example, when we were looking at Tesla, I think trading for it stops at 2 p.m. or they're severely going to limit it. Yeah. Just because look at that. This is just Tesla. Look at that support right here. It's like just sliding. And it's only almost halfway. It's not even at the other side yet. Bitcoin has yet to make a move though. So careful. Everything else is moving. Crypto's staying pinned. Like it's not even moving. So just very careful. It usually, I think the way that I've seen it within like the last couple weeks, it's always a day behind for some reason. So just be very careful with that. As far as the S&P, just look at this. Oh, look at the VIX. In the previous videos, I had mentioned how what's it called? This was a fake out. I literally called this the last video, and this was a fake out. I said I call bullshit on this, and look, bam, bam, right here. That is beautiful. You can fact check me. So as far as that, look at how it's hurting the SPY. Look at this. We're probably going to get a bounce somewhere around here though. If something terrible, like if we get really good news, we may crash hard. Because if they're already starting to stop transactions or at least slow down the pace on certain exchanges, at least for like Tesla, like people are getting margin called. And let's see. Oh yeah, fat drop. We still, I like this. It needs to catch up a little bit. Let me see. Why is this not moving? I have a feeling we're going to catch up tomorrow. Not financial advice, don't take my word for it. Like, but we usually react one day later, at least the last couple times we've gotten any major news. And look, this is beautiful. Right there. Yep. Yep. Touched this one. Called bullshit. Was a little early. Try to fake me out. Nobody. You know what? Actually, I did a little bit more studying where I was right here. This is where I called bullshit because I did a little like history searching, I guess. And this is where I called bullshit because if you draw a straight line from here to here, which I was like, have they ever faked us out before? You got to have no feelings. You got to have like, dude, balls of steel. Might get censored, but hey, right here. Look at that. They try to fake us out. Uh-uh. I had a feeling they were going to do that. You know why? Because you can't be emotional on these things. The very, like, the best traders are cold. And when I say that, they're numb. I'm learning that from my girlfriend's grandpa. He's just like cold blooded when it comes to these things because they have history, right? And it's very smart to learn from uh, like people that are time tested and tenured in the markets. So one of the things that I've learned is don't think with emotions. Think of, okay, like I said, like I've been saying actually, the market makers want to make the most amount of money, and that's playing both sides. Look what just happened. They try to fake people out with the large candle downwards on the VIX. When the VIX is low, the market is high. When the VIX is high, the market is low, right? Increased volatility. So you just got to watch out for those things and look at prior history. You like history doesn't repeat, but it does rhyme. And one of the things that I've seen is if you're able to read the weight to the candles, and especially on the MACD and ROC, rate of change, just draw divergences, look for large scale, and like confirm on 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. Look at the week. I know I'm mentioning a lot of them, but it's like look at their weights, and then you can draw the charts accordingly. Because if you're able to see like different, right here, look, you see, that's why I was calling BS. Look at that. Now, when I drew these, this was a while ago actually, and it's try to fake out. It's given us triple peaks right there. So it likes to maximize pain. And if you know that that's how the market works, you'll be ready for anything. And so it produced this. This is like gold right here. So if you guys want any like further updates, I tweet about these things actually. Like I'm on Twitter a lot just because I don't believe you should be paying for this information. Like that's just guru stuff. You can get this information for free. Just go ahead, follow, subscribe, like, share. Yeah, have a good day.